Hello, and thank you all so much for joining me today. I have to hold my kitty cat because she is so noisy when she's awake. She's only about 7 months old and she is actually still a kitty, and so she is all over the place. So bear with me for a minute, please. I hope you are doing well and you fared well with the cold weather that came across the United States the last few days. Um, Here in Colorado, I woke up to -8 degrees in one of those, I think it was Sunday morning, it was so cold. And although the sun is out here today, it's still only 29 degrees. So today what I decided to do is I'm going to be making some uh, floral frogs, Mason Jar Floral Frogs, and then I will be seeding some herbs because I brought in my oregano and thyme and they were doing really well, and all of a sudden they died back on me. Surprisingly, the rosemary is doing really, is just thriving, and rosemary is very hard to grow inside, so I'm a bit surprised about that. Next, I will finally I'll be making some fluffy pancakes, and I will be having those with some berries and some tea. So again, thank you so much for joining me here, and let's get started. Bye for now.
To make these floral frogs, I'm using air-dried clay, which usually dries overnight. Now here I'm measuring the holes to make sure they sit at the center of the top of the mason jar. And these will now dry overnight. And now that they've dried, I will go ahead and paint them to help to bring out the patterns I stamped earlier. And now it's time to add the floral frogs and some flowers to these jars. And aren't they just so pretty? Because the soil for seedling is often so light, I like to water it prior to setting them in the little seeding trays. and I water once again. These seeds are so tiny, so I must be careful here. And because these are on the heating mats, they should sprout within, I would say, 3 to 5 days, given the strength of the seeds. Now let's make some fluffy pancakes. a bit of maple syrup, instead of tea, I decided on coffee. Beyond beef breakfast sausage, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.